A few years ago, I sat across from a bank advisor, ready to sign for a rental property. But he started talking about what was still realistic at my age. The numbers on the page, the monthly payments, the years left. I got home and I did the math and quietly closed my laptop. That's when I realized the whole gold versus real estate debate had been asking the wrong question. Hi, I'm Ingrid, in my 60s, based in Belgium. Not a financial advisor, just someone who tested both sides of this with her own money. So let's start with gold. Gold, no tenant, no boiler that breaks down at midnight, no paperwork. It's highly liquid, sell it and the cash is yours within hours or days. Historically, it holds up when inflation spikes or markets get chaotic. And it doesn't care how old you are. No 20-year commitment attached. But the trade-off, gold pays you nothing. No dividend, no rent, no interest. Its value only moves if the price moves. Physical gold also needs storage and insurance or custody costs if you hold through an ETF. Real estate, the traditional way, means buying a property directly. Get rental income and leverage through a mortgage, something tangible. That's the appeal, and it's real. Which is exactly why I was in that bank advisor's office. I wanted the income, the stability, but when he started laying out what was still realistic at my age, the long term, the monthly commitment, the timeline, I realized this wasn't a property investment, it was signing up for a second career. And I really wasn't ready to do that. And there is more than just a mortgage. Direct property is illiquid. Selling can take months. It needs maintenance, comes with tenant risk. And your wealth sits concentrated in one building, one neighborhood. If part of your retirement involves spending time abroad, you also lose hands-on control. Managing a leaking roof or a difficult tenant from another country usually means paying a local manager just to stay informed. So instead, I get my property exposure through REIT ETFs, funds that hold portfolios of real estate and pay out rental income as dividends. So no mortgage, no maintenance, no age-driven commitment. Fully manageable from anywhere with an internet connection, which matters if your retirement involves time outside your home country. But the trade-off is also real. REIT ETFs move with the stock market, so they swing more than a house feels like it does. And you don't get the direct control, or in some countries, the owner-specific tax treatment that comes with holding a property yourself. Here's what that bank appointment taught me. Gold and real estate aren't competing for the same job. Gold is insurance. It's there for inflation shocks, for chaos, for moments when you want something that doesn't depend on anyone else's decisions. Real estate, in any form, is an income and growth engine. It's there to work for you over time. Gold is the fire extinguisher in the cupboard. You hope you never need it, but you're glad it's there. Real estate, or REIT ETF, is the vegetable garden. It's meant to produce something season after season. So asking which one wins is like asking whether your smoke alarm or your salary matters more. They're not rivals. They're doing different jobs. If this reframe is useful, this is exactly what I dig into every week. This channel is still small and growing. Subscribing really helps me keep making content like this. Please hit the button right below. In my own plan, gold sits around 5 to 10%. the insurance layer inside my retirement bridge. The rest of my growth and income comes from other building blocks, with REIT ETFs as one option, among several. Not a prescription to copy, just what works for my situation. I walk through the whole bridge in another video, gold allocation included. I'll link it below because, honestly, these two belong together. If you're weighing gold against real estate yourself, the real question isn't which one wins. It's what job you're hiring each one to do in your own plan. My free worksheet helps you map exactly that, where each piece fits in your own retirement plan. Link is in the description down below. And tell me in the comments, gold, real estate or both, and why? I read every single one of your comments.